Mr. President, with the encouragement that you have given us, our pains will be relieved. And indeed, we want to emphasize that best help is self-help. As you have encouraged us, we will move out there to continue to work hard to support your commitment to Nigeria and Nigerians.
I will take this opportunity to encourage our citizens, especially our youth, to emulate your actions as we continue to work together to build the Nigeria of our expectations. As a government, we shall continue to focus on providing a safe and secure nation with policies and programs that will bring prosperity to the masses. I am confident that this goal is achievable if we put our differences aside and work together in the spirit of cooperation. I am informed that the National Productivity Center will, on an annual basis, organize forums for first awardees to come together and exchange ideas on how to encourage selfless service and commitment on our day-to-day lives. Your tangible contributions towards protecting, developing, and enhancing our country and its citizens are your lasting legacy.
Conferment of the award on them is very significant. It's significant because for the first time, the committee on the National Productivity Award paid particular attention to job creation in the economy of Nigeria.